notice how I had my finger over, my thumb rather, over the serial number. And that is because you should never share a Meraki serial number unless it's safely secured on your dashboard. I think I might have said that before. Anyway, happy Thursday, everyone. We are in the workshop and we've got a couple of little beauties going out the door. Right, first of all, I want to just talk about this Meraki switch. Single power supply. You can have a dual power supply. As you can see, this one's been beautifully refurbished. Look at that. Let's see if I can get the camera up close. That is not easy to do. That Meraki paint is. And look, have you noticed how the ears are actually incorporated into the front bezel? And they're aluminium. They're a nightmare if they get scratched. Refurbishing Meraki, these type of switches is not for the faint-hearted. The failure rate on cosmetics, because we can't repair some damaged Meraki faces, but so then 1 out of every 10 probably just will have to get binned. But anyway, so what else have we got here? We've got an Arista. We like Arista. And as you can see, that's been beautifully refurbished. And we've got red, which means the red airflow, mentioned the airflow is coming out that way. And that has got, comes with a 2-post rack here, kit. So this one here is a 7280SR-48C. So what have we got here? 48. We've got 48 10 gig ports, and then right in the middle there, we have got 6 QSFP ports, which gets you 6 100 gig interfaces in there, 100 gig. Ooh. And then you've got, okay, so what, so that's actually, that's a 48 port 10 gig switch with 6 100 gig uplinks, and that's a $3,000 switch. I'm sure it was a lot more than that. First introduced 2016, made end of life 2023. Throughput 720 million packets per second and 3.8 microseconds latency. We've been supplying a lot more Aristas switches lately, becoming more and more popular. So anyway, if you need any Arista switches, please let us know. If you need any Meraki switches, I'll see if there's enough out there to fulfill a requirement, because they're a bit hard work. Anyway, must go. See you on the next one. Bye.